I'm Sarah and I work for the supported employment team at HFT Flintshire, and I'm a job coach. I work with adults with learning disabilities. I find them work within our local area. That can be sort of volunteering roles, but what we ideally want is for people to be able to hold down a paid job, so have meaningful employment. So I will go into the company, find out what they want, look at my person's skills, put them together, and then train the individual to the standards of the host company. I suppose the challenging part of our role is engaging with companies and businesses for them to sort of buy into us as a service, and for them to see and realise the potential that our guys have and what they can bring to their business. But this job is something that I've always been interested in and I always wanted to be part of. My sister, Judith, she has Down syndrome, and she was actually supported by the team that I currently work for many years. So I'd seen what job coaches did, and I wanted to be part of that. So here I am. When I left school, finished my A-levels, I went straight into a job as a travel agent. After working at the travel agents, I went to work for Marks & Spencer for their customer support team, which is extremely different to what I do now, but it was a lot of talking to people and engaging with people, and obviously that's a transferable skill that I've had. I really enjoy my job. Every day is different, with different challenges, and I love seeing the progression of the people thinking that they can't have a job and they won't be able to hold down a job, to working, you know, more or less full-time independently with a great support network, being invited to the Christmas parties and all of the things that come along with having a job. Being really integrated into the team is fantastic, and I love to see that. There isn't a day that goes by without I don't smile or laugh at some point.